Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. We are at Disney's Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida, where we will be riding the Tower of Terror. This ride is for all ages as long as you're 40 inches or taller. As always, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you can get more content like this. This ride first opened in July of 1994 and is themed around the Twilight Zone TV series. It is 199 feet tall, which is the second tallest attraction in Walt Disney World, right behind Expedition Everest, which is actually only half a foot taller. The drop is about 130 feet and it reaches up to 39 miles an hour. Now, the elevators are actually pulled down by a mechanism, so it isn't just a free fall, it's actually being pulled faster than gravity. Now let's enjoy the ride in its entirety.
You are the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode, the Twilight Zone.
What the?
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in Next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you found, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Welcome back, and I'm glad you survived. Those drops are actually randomized with each ride, so you'll never get the same ride twice. We hope you enjoyed this ride on Disney's Tower of Terror in Hollywood Studios. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on those notifications so you get more content just like this. Comment below with which Disney ride you'd like to see next. And as always, thank you for watching.